Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Sydney, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some extreme cleaning motivation. I'm tackling my master bedroom and our boys' room as well. I'm going to be just cleaning my bedroom and decluttering and organizing their toys and their clothes and deep cleaning their room as well. So I hope you guys get some major cleaning motivation. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe if you're new here and turn on that bell. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So my husband and I love drinking milk at night. I like eating my cereal, and he likes drinking his milk with cookies. So that explains the bowl of milk I had on my counter, and my husband's cup is on his counter or nightstand. So yeah, it's just very tedious taking it back down. We do have a 2-story apartment, and that's the last thing we want to do at night. But we do probably need to get better at that. Just trying to be real with you guys. I was gonna pick it up before recording, but you know, this is real life and nobody's perfect. So one of my little helpers decided to join me. This is Noah. He woke up from his nap a little earlier than his brother. So he's just here hanging out with me while I fold his clothes and Aaron's clothes, because I do have twin 2-year-old boys, if this is your first time here. So I'm just gonna fold all of our laundry first and put it away as soon as his brother wakes up from his nap. this is the first time I've cleaned their room in my videos in a long time. It's usually because I clean when they're napping. So I'm just gonna start by cleaning their cribs first, because honestly I don't remember the last time I cleaned it. So I'm just using this method wood cleaner to make sure it's nice and polished and get off all of that milk stain that they've had on it, and because they don't even drink milk anymore in their cribs. So I'm gonna be doing that first. So this was the next day. If you notice, I do have a different outfit on. So I was only able to just clean our bedroom the day before and just clean that one crib. You know, that's mom life. You can't always get everything done in one day. But yeah, I'm just going to be cleaning the other crib, and then I'm going to start decluttering. Start decluttering their toys first, because I feel like that's gonna be the quickest. I was gonna do their clothes, but I don't want to take a long time because it's almost their nap time, so I want to at least get one thing done before they go to sleep. And if they're not sleepy yet, I'll go ahead and start with the clothes also. But I recently purchased this little organizer at Target, and I love it. It just keeps the toys contained and has a specific spot for them. So right here I had like their Legos and like random little toys as well, their Play-Doh, and then here is like all the stuffed animals and like little figures like Toy Story and stuff like that. So I put that there, and then their books, I have them all on the bottom, and some random bigger toys that just to display them. And then I used to have all of their toys in that little bin right there, but it was just really not functional, and they never played with the toys. Get Papa, get Papa. Yeah, that's Goofy. So yeah, I'm gonna declutter a lot of their bigger toys because they really don't play with them, and I don't want to get rid of everything because we are gonna plan to move soon. So they're gonna have a lot more room there and maybe actually play with everything. So, yeah, so I'm gonna start decluttering their stuff.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Alright guys, so the boys, I tackled their closet after their nap, and this is their closet. I had piles of clothes on this little organizer thing that didn't fit them anymore, and I knew I had to tackle this sooner or later because a lot of the clothes they had honestly didn't fit them anymore and was just taking up too much space. So yeah, I tackled this head on, and boy did they have a lot of clothes that were too small for them.
Coming home, Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah,
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's send. With me tonight, I run away. We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away.
So this was all of the clothes that didn't fit them anymore and they outgrew. I swear these kids grow like weeds, and we buy them clothes every couple months or so, especially PJs. I feel like PJs are one of the clothing items that they really grow out of quickly. But anyways, I'm just putting up their clean laundry I had folded the day before finally, and I see now how much clothes they really have, which is nice. That way we know exactly what to purchase next time we go shopping for them. Decluttered closet. I have all of the boys' shoes right here. Some of these they haven't grown into yet, so I have them right here. These are the ones they usually wear all the time, and some right there. They have their little blankets right here. I have some that I have to wash, so they don't have much. Their bed covers. This is like their memory box. And then I have some hanging clothes that are hanging right here. This is either clothes they haven't grown into yet or nicer clothes. And I have some of their stuffed animals. It's like a monogram of each one and how much they weighed. And I like to just display them right here. I have some of their socks that mismatched. I don't know where they're at, but I'm sure they'll turn up somewhere. And right here, I have this little bin for all of their socks. And I just like to put their casual clothes up here, like if we're not gonna be going out anywhere. I just throw something on, none of the nicer clothes, and just so they'll be comfortable. And then I have some of their more nicer clothes, like to go out and stuff. We actually probably have to buy more now that I see how much we have, but I do have some that I need to wash. So some long sleeves just in case it gets chilly, but I doubt it. Short sleeves, and then tank tops. Then I have some shorts right here on the left, some pants, casual pants, and jeans on the right. And then I have their PJs, and we definitely have to restock and buy them some PJs. I feel like we're constantly buying them PJs. Does anybody else feel that way? And here is their bathing suits, swimming trunks, right here, and then some random pants. And the last one is just like books that they're too small for, like hand-me-down books and pregnant books for me. Okay, so I decided to have a little bin for clothes that I'm gonna keep for the future. Who knows? But I don't know. Do you guys do that? This is like the first time I actually saved some of their clothes. I probably should have done it a long time ago, but oh well. So I just saved a couple there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't tackle the top part. It's just too much right now. These boys are already tired, so. Guys, so this is everything that I'm donating. I had two garbage bags of clothes that I was donating, one full one and 1/4 of a bag. So that was a lot of clothes. I'm so happy I was able to finally declutter their items. And their toys, I decluttered mainly the bigger toys because they really outgrew them. And some of the multiple truck items that they had, I just wanted to make sure that, you know, we didn't have too much clutter, and that they would be able to enjoy most of their toys. I'm so happy I finally decluttered and organized their closet and their toys. I truly love this organizer. I definitely recommend it for you guys that are looking for organizers. I feel like this is definitely a good way to organize and display books or toys or anything. That way they can actually be able to play with the toys and pick and choose what they want to play at the moment. But anyways, I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. And also subscribe if you're new here at all. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.